Kenmore Series 100. Improving spin performance. The Kenmore Series 100 washer is a reliable appliance. Yet, over time, you might notice a decline in its spin performance. The spinning cycle is crucial for effectively removing excess water from clothes. Here, we'll explore some essential troubleshooting steps to improve the spin performance of your Kenmore Series 100 washer. Balancing loads. One of the first steps to enhance spin performance is to ensure your washer loads are balanced. An unbalanced load can cause the washer to spin unevenly, reducing its efficiency. Follow these tips to balance your loads better. Distribute clothes evenly in the drum. Avoid overloading or underloading the washer. Mix large and small items for an even load. By keeping your loads balanced, you help the washer spin more efficiently, extending its lifespan. Inspecting the drive belt. The drive belt plays a vital role in the spinning mechanism. If the belt is worn or damaged, it can lead to poor spin performance. Here's how to inspect the drive belt. 1. Unplug the washer for safety. 2. Remove the back panel to access the belt. 3. Check for signs of wear, such as fraying or cracks. 4. If the belt is damaged, replace it promptly. Regularly inspecting the drive belt helps maintain optimal spin performance, ensuring your washer works effectively.